The AI automation revolution, your secret weapon for unstoppable business growth. Have you ever felt like you're running on a hamster wheel? Working endless hours, putting out fires, managing a team, chasing invoices, trying to generate leads. Only to look up at the end of the quarter and see that your profit margins have barely moved. You're not alone. This is the reality for millions of business owners, entrepreneurs, and CEOs right now. You built your business to gain freedom, to create an impact, to achieve financial independence. But instead, the business is running you. But what if I told you there was a way to step off that wheel? A way to not just work in your business, but to finally work on it? A system that operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, without a salary, without sick days, and with relentless precision and efficiency. This isn't a fantasy. This is the new reality. This is the era of AI automation, and in this exclusive presentation, I am going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how it works. But you have to promise me one thing. You will watch this to the very end. Because at the culmination of this video, I am going to reveal the one single secret, the master key, that unlocks the full, profit-exploding potential of automation for your specific business. So, get comfortable, and let's begin. So, what exactly is AI automation? Let's move beyond the buzzwords. AI automation is the strategic fusion of artificial intelligence, the brain, and automation, the muscle. It's about deploying digital workforce that can learn, adapt, and execute complex tasks that were once reserved for your most highly skilled, highly paid human employees. Think of it as your ultimate force multiplier. It's not about replacing your team, it's about empowering them. Freeing them from the mundane, the repetitive, the time-sucking administrative tasks, so they can focus on what humans do best: creativity, strategy, relationship building, and innovation. Let's talk about the benefits, the tangible, bank account growing reasons why this is the most important strategic shift you can make this year. First, unprecedented operational efficiency. We're talking about a seismic shift in how work gets done. AI automation streamlines your workflows, eliminates redundant processes, and creates a seamless, frictionless operational engine. Imagine invoices that process themselves, customer inquiries that are handled instantly 24/7, and data that flows between your CRM, your marketing software, and your accounting platform without a single manual entry. This is the foundation of a lean, mean business machine. Second, catapulting productivity and skyrocketing ROI. Your output will soar while your operational costs plummet. An automated system doesn't get tired, doesn't make calculation errors, and doesn't need a coffee break. It consistently executes with flawless accuracy. This means you can achieve more with less time, less money, less manpower. The return on investment isn't just incremental, it's exponential. We're seeing businesses report ROI increases of 200%, 300%, even 500% after a strategic AI automation implementation. Third, hyper-personalized customer experiences at scale. This is a game changer. AI can analyze a customer's entire history, their preferences, their browsing behavior, in milliseconds. Then, it can deliver a uniquely personalized message, a special offer, or a support solution that feels human. This builds insane levels of customer loyalty and dramatically increases lifetime value. Your customers feel seen, heard, and valued, not like just another number in your database. Fourth, data-driven decision-making and predictive insights. Stop guessing. Start knowing. AI doesn't just process data, it uncovers patterns, trends, and insights that are invisible to the human eye. It can predict sales cycles, forecast market fluctuations, and identify your most profitable customer avatars. This gives you, the leader, a crystal ball. It allows you to make strategic decisions with confidence, allocate resources with precision, and stay 3 steps ahead of your competition. Fifth, a significant competitive advantage. Let's be blunt. Your competitors are already looking at this. The early adopters of AI automation are quietly building moats around their businesses that will be almost impossible to cross. Implementing this technology now positions you as an innovator, a leader. It allows you to compete not just on price, but on superior service, unparalleled efficiency, and a stunning customer experience. This is how you dominate your market: advantages, disadvantages, and a critical warning. Now, for total transparency, let's talk about the other side of the coin. Any powerful tool comes with its own set of challenges. It's crucial you understand these. The advantages, as we've detailed, are transformative, explosive growth, massive efficiency, happy customers, and a powerful competitive edge. The disadvantages, however, are what trip up most businesses. And you must be very, very careful. The initial investment: yes, there is an upfront cost. This includes the technology itself and the expertise to implement it correctly. Trying to cut corners here is the single biggest mistake you can make. Integration complexity: your current systems, your CRM, your email marketing, your project management tools need to talk to each other. A poorly planned integration creates more problems than it solves, leading to data silos and chaos. The human element: your team may fear this change. They may see it as a threat to their jobs. This requires careful change management, transparent communication, and a focus on upskilling. You need to lead this transition, not just mandate it. But here is the most critical point of this entire presentation, and why you must be exceptionally careful. The market is flooded with so-called AI automation solutions. There are cheap, off-the-shelf software packages that promise the world but deliver very little. There are complex, enterprise-level systems that are overkill for a small or mid-sized business and will drain your resources. Choosing the wrong system, or working with an inexperienced provider, can be a catastrophic waste of your most valuable assets, your time and your money. It can lock you into a rigid, inefficient process that actually holds your business back. You need a solution that is scalable, flexible, and tailored to your unique business model and your specific growth objectives. You need a strategic partner, not just a software vendor. This is not a decision to be taken lightly. Your future profitability depends on getting this right. You've been patient. You've understood the immense potential and you're aware of the pitfalls. Now, you're ready for the secret I promised you at the very beginning. The secret to successful AI automation isn't the AI itself. The technology is almost a commodity now. The secret is the strategic implementation framework. It's the proprietary, step-by-step methodology that identifies the single most critical leverage point in your business. The one area where automation will have the most dramatic, immediate impact on your bottom line. It's not about automating everything at once. It's about a surgical strike. It's about automating the right thing first. This framework ensures that your investment is precise, your integration is seamless, and your ROI is maximized from day one. And I have created a comprehensive, real-world demo that walks you through this exact framework. I'm not just going to tell you about it, but I'm going to show you. You will see it in action, applied to a real business scenario. You will see the before, the after, and the stunning results. This exclusive demo is available right now. But you can only access it through the link provided in the description below this video. This is not a theoretical lecture, but your practical, no-fluff guide to deploying a profit-generating AI automation system in your business. Do not wait, because your competitors certainly aren't. Click the link in the description right now and start your journey. Take the first step toward transforming your business from a high-effort operation into a self-optimizing, profit-generating empire. That link is your gateway. Before you go, I have one final, professional request. If you found value in this deep dive into AI automation, if you believe in staying ahead of the curve and leveraging cutting-edge technology for growth, then I encourage you to become part of my inner circle. By joining my team, you are positioning yourself and your business at the forefront of innovation. You will be the first to get access to exclusive in-depth content just like this. You'll get detailed tutorials, case studies, and interviews with industry leaders, all designed to give you that unfair advantage. We are building a community of forward-thinking entrepreneurs and business leaders here, and we would be honored to have you with us. Thank you for your valuable time today. Click the link below to subscribe and watch the full demo. and start your journey toward unprecedented automation and growth. Have a lovely moment and do take care.